Imagine recording a video that takes you maybe a day to plan, 10 minutes to film, and that same video quietly sends you money every single month for years. Not a movie, not a lottery ticket, not a scam, just one YouTube video. Stay with me until the end, because you're going to learn how to create videos like this that can pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars passively, month after month. Why one video can pay you for years. First, let's talk about why this is even possible. In a normal job, the equation is simple. You work 1 hour, you get paid once, it's over. If you don't show up tomorrow, the money stops. With YouTube, the equation changes completely. You work once, you upload once, and you can get paid every single time someone watches that video. For months, sometimes for years. YouTube shows ads on your videos. Advertisers pay to be there. YouTube takes their cut, and you get your cut. The key number is something called RPM, revenue per 1,000 views. If your RPM is $5, every 1,000 views on that video earns you about $5. If your RPM is $20, every 1,000 views earns you about $20. Now that doesn't sound crazy by itself until you put real views behind it. 10,000 views, 100,000 views, 1 million views. And remember, we're not talking about views in one day, we're talking about views over the lifetime of the video. To show you how powerful this can be, I want to walk you through 4 real YouTubers and how much they made from one single video. Then I'll break down the pattern behind all of them. And finally, I'll give you a step-by-step plan so you can start designing your own money video this week. Example 1, Mark Tilbury's Investing Challenge. Let's start with the first example, Mark Tilbury. Mark is a British millionaire who makes videos about money, investing, and business. One of his most famous videos is called something like, Millionaire Tries the Investing $100 Challenge. The concept is super simple. What would a millionaire do if he only had $100 to invest? No explosions, no crazy stunts, just a clear idea and a topic people care about, investing. In videos and breakdowns where he shared his analytics, Mark showed that at around 2.3 million views, this video was getting an RPM of roughly $32 per 1,000 views. At that point, it had already earned around $76,000 in ad revenue. And the views didn't stop there. As time passed, that same video climbed to over 4 million views. Using that same RPM, people have estimated that this one video has now generated more than $130,000 in total ad revenue, and it still gets views today. Think about that for a second. One idea, one video, recorded once, and it has made more than many people will make in 2 or 3 years of full-time work. All from a topic that will be relevant for a long time, how to invest. Example 2, Biohazard and Forex trading. The second example comes from a different money niche, Forex trading. There's a creator known as Biohazard who made a video with a very simple hook. I tried Forex day trading for a week. It's an experiment. He documents his experience, shows results, breaks down what happened. Again, not a Hollywood movie. It's just him, a clear challenge, and a money topic people are obsessed with. In breakdowns where his numbers were analyzed, he showed that this one Forex video had an RPM of about $27 per 1,000 views. At one point, the video had already generated around $71,000 in ad revenue. But just like Mark's video, it didn't stop. That same video continued to get recommended, continued to get searched, and eventually reached close to 4 million views. With that RPM, estimates put the total earnings for that single video at over $100,000. Again, one upload, an experiment, a money topic. And now it's basically a 6-figure digital asset sitting on his channel. Example 3, Stephen James and Amazon FBA. Third, we have Stephen James from Project Life Mastery. Stephen shared his own YouTube AdSense numbers on his blog and revealed his 2 highest earning videos. The first one is an interview titled, She Makes $40,000 per month on Amazon at 23 years old. In this video, he interviews his now wife, Tatiana, about her Amazon FBA business. Nothing insane visually, just a strong story. A 23-year-old making $40K per month with Amazon. That video exploded. It reached almost 6 million views, and Stephen reported that it has made about $87,000 in ad revenue. His second top-earning video is a tutorial called How to Sell on Amazon for Beginners. This one is a classic beginner's guide. He walks viewers step-by-step through the process of starting an Amazon FBA business. That video has around 2.1 million views, and he shared that it has earned about $81,000 in ad revenue. So from just 2 videos, he has collected over $160,000 from YouTube ads alone. And those videos continue to do 2 things. They keep earning ad revenue, and they keep sending viewers into his other products and offers. Again, the pattern is clear. Evergreen topic, real value, clear promise in the title, no crazy production needed. Example 4, Kevin David, high-value how-to videos, Business Insider. Fourth, a verifiable on-record example you can cite, Kevin David. Business Insider reported that Kevin David showed Creator Studio screenshots, proving a single evergreen how-to video in the Facebook ads Shopify niche earned just under $50,000 from AdSense, after achieving around 1.9 to 2.2 million views. His Shopify tutorial videos and Facebook ads tutorials were singled out as high-earning evergreen how-tos, with one Shopify tutorial reported as making over $40,000. Business Insider reviewed his screenshots and published the figures. Source: Business Insider, on-record interview, and Creator Studio screenshots. Use this example when you want to show how high-value, evergreen how-to content, especially business, tech, marketing tutorials, attracts higher CPMs and produces long-tail revenue. What all these money videos have in common. So what ties these creators together? First, they're in money-related or business entrepreneurship niches. Advertisers pay more to reach audiences interested in finance, business tools, and e-commerce, which raises RPM. Second, the topics are evergreen. People will still search for how to invest, Forex trading, how to sell on Amazon, and Shopify tutorials in years to come. Third, they deliver practical value. These videos teach, demonstrate, or experiment, not just hype. People learn something useful and share it. Fourth, production cost is low relative to the payoff. None of these needed a Hollywood budget, just a clear idea, decent audio, and the courage to publish. Niche, value, evergreen equals repeat income. The math. How much one video can really make? Let's be conservative and use a $5 RPM example. At $5 per 1,000 views, 10,000 views, about $50. 50,000 views, about $250. 100,000 views, about $500. 500,000 views, about $2,500. 1 million views, about $5,000. In high-value niches, RPMs can be $15, $32 or more. That's why videos in investing, marketing, and e-commerce scale so well. The same view counts are worth multiple times more. Now imagine you build a library. 10 evergreen videos, each slowly reaching 50K to 200K views over time. Suddenly you're looking at meaningful passive income from uploads you filmed months or years earlier. How to design your own money video. Follow this 5-step formula. Step 1. Pick an evergreen money problem. What problem did you solve? Examples: paying off debt, starting a side hustle with no money, using AI tools to make your first $500, or investing your first $100. Step 2. Hook with a number or challenge. Look at the real examples. Invest $100. I tried Forex for a week. She makes $40,000 a month on Amazon. Or Kevin David's Facebook ads, Shopify tutorials. Numbers and challenges stop scrolls. Step 3. Show the process, not just the result. Walk viewers through steps, time spent, and realistic expectations. Share the math. Views, RPM ranges, time to produce. Step 4. Keep it evergreen. If the video will make sense in 12 to 24 months, it's likely evergreen. Avoid short-lived trends unless you plan a series of follow-ups. Step 5. End with a challenge plus CTA. Give viewers a next step. Record a 10-minute money video in 7 days and tell me when you hit your first 100 views. That action drives retention and community. 7-day action plan. Day 1. Choose your topic. Pick one evergreen money problem. Day 2. Study competitors. Watch 2 to 3 top videos in the niche and take notes. Day 3. Outline your video. Hook, story code, 3 main points, examples, CTA. Day 4. Write your hook and key lines. The opening 10 seconds must grab attention. Day 5. Record. Use a phone, Focus on clear audio. Keep it simple. Day 6. Edit and thumbnail. Trim dead time. Add text overlays. Create a thumbnail with a number and face. Day 7. Publish and learn. Upload, monitor analytics, note where viewers drop off, and improve the next one. Closing recap. You saw real, verifiable examples. Mark Tilbury, an evergreen investing challenge that reached millions of views and produced six-figure estimates in ad revenue. Biohazard, a Forex experiment video that scaled into a six-figure asset. Stephen James, 2 Amazon FBA videos that together earned well over $160,000 in AdSense. Kevin David, Business Insider verified Creator Studio screenshots showing a single high-value how-to bringing in just under $50,000, and a Shopify tutorial earning over $40,000. Source, Business Insider. All of them turned one idea, filmed once, into a digital asset that keeps paying long after the upload. So the question now is not whether it's possible. You've seen that it is. The real question is, when will you film your first money video?